I'm in London, I like to go and shop at the mall, shop at the Prada, shop at the store, shop in the drop and stop in Dior. Every time, cover my toes, throw on my trousers, look at my bricks, these are my tennis, look at my shoes, look at my shoes. Come hot sauce and sandals, man's outside it.
Dang. Alright, so we back home. I'm finally
4:15, 4:30, 4:45.
I'm just now making an appearance,
It's
but
a top. It's a.
we've been ripping and running. Last minute things.
I mean, we don't gotta leave here. Let me see how far they are away from us. We don't have
To make it. All I know is my mama got me a reservation for this restaurant that I really wanted to go to, and she didn't even know I wanted to go there. And we're really pressed for time. The reservation at 5:30.
It's 45 minutes away, so we need to leave here by like 4:30. Oh, we ain't gonna.
We're literally done. I was just looking at the place, and my mom was like, "Guess where we was going?" Because we wasn't finna go no more. And she told me it was the place that I was looking at, and she didn't even know. See if somebody canceled the reservation. I'm just praying. 5 o'clock was like the latest that she could get. So now we trying to figure out, is we finna make it or not? I don't know.
Baby,
They ain't answering, child.
I mean, we gotta leave here by like 4:45.
All right.
It's 4:06. But your girl ain't got no food.
Jesus, it's just one thing after, and I'm gone.
You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I meant it more, girl. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You got potential, I can't explain. You're so persuasive, I made some changes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular.
They drive stupid over. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I mean, I knew they drove crazy in Chicago, but it's been a minute since I've experienced it firsthand. We're on our way to dinner reservation. She play all day. All right, y'all, we done made it. Pray for me, pray for me, pray for me. Mom. You walking so fast.
You gotta go down.
Y'all pay y'all taxes.
When you gonna get a part?
This is cute.
the club, wanna go.